guys, if you like, check the next video out on the Mini Cooper R56 project that I've been working on here at Top Car Detailing. I've now finished the car completely, it's all sorted, that type of thing, and all the modifications. So in the next video I'm going to explain a bit about what I've done, the parts I've fitted to the car, etc., the exhaust system, the side skirts, the front and rear aero bumpers too, and some other bits and pieces. Anyway, I'll have to go now. Enjoy the video and I'll catch you later. Ratchets there. I'm going to polish these out now. It's going to be doing some polishing, and we'll take a look again a bit later. Now we're checking, making sure got rid of all them defects of the paint, and it's absolutely spot on. So I'm going to take another picture now, here, a couple of pictures, and then I'll show you in the video how we've got rid of them swirl marks and that of the paint in the first cut as well. We're also taking a look at here on the rear of the Mini is the lights. You can see how bad the swirl marks and everything in the blemishes on this side too. So we're just going to polish this now, get rid of those, and you'll see me doing some work on this section. So as you can see, when I put the light on here, on the headlight, on the driver's side front, you can see all them nasty scratches and everything in the, and see the hazing as well in the plastic. So we're going to first of all polish this headlight first. Just in me doing the two-stage machine polish on this headlight here. So we're going to take a close-up look now. We'll get the scan grip light and have another look at it. Like a new headlight that now, as you can see. The clarity there that we've got back into the plastic cover. also did too fit the Aero front bumper to the car aftermarket kit here to turn it into a John Cooper Works replica basically. Fitted the John Cooper Works badge as well. The valance underneath here where the splitter is on the bumper. Fitted new grills as well, all gloss black, and ceramic coated them as well. So machine polished the headlights here at the front and at the rear of the car too. Sourced these wheels off eBay, found them, had them fully refurbished, also fitted new centre caps, painted the calipers red as well on the vehicle all round, and fitted 11mm spacers too to the back of the wheels to bring them further out and fill the arches up. Also put lowering springs on as well, 30mm all round, so when they get embedded in it will lower down a bit more as yet. You would have seen earlier on in the video too how the exhaust used to come out here at this end, so I replaced that, fitted a twin pipe system to the back, and there's some videos on my channel showing that too. Also fitted the John Cooper Works Aero bumper here, treated all the plastics, dyed them jet black, machine polished this up after it coming back from the paint shop, and fully ceramic coated that too, same with the rest of the vehicle. Also fitted the John Cooper Works side skirts here as well, and finished them off at each end with the vinyl wrap, as you would have seen me doing it in the video. They're fully ceramic coated too as well. Well, the Mini Cooper Project car is more or less finished now here at Top Car Detailing. What we had to do as well, do a two-stage machine polish overall to get rid of all those swirl marks and scratches. I also did polish the tail lights up as well, even the pillars here, all machine polished and fully ceramic coated. As I said, the gloss level now on this car is truly outstanding. What you've got to take into consideration here as well, this being a 2007 car, nearly 18 years old now. Also polished all the headlights up here, so they were in the car from brand new. I've also done had the dashboard trim off here, and we've had that done in matte red just to tidy it up. So I'll show you how we fit this now back into the cab. Make sure the steering wheel is pulled straight out, down like that, lock that into position, put this upside down like this, drop it behind the clock, pull that round like so. Give it a snap. That's in position. That one. That part of the dash on that. So we've got that part fitted now. That's done. So in a matte finish, same on the other side. Right, these are the chrome ones that I've taken off. Obviously there's a couple of clips missing on here. These are the ones that I've had wrapped. As you can see, the clips are intact all around. What we do, we start with the top here and we push this into these slots. So I'll show you now how I put these on. That slots in the top there. That one done. Something like that. These are the chrome mirror caps that came with the car when I got it. And we've got some eye gloss black ones to replace these. These are masking tape around the black plastic here. But what we've got to do next is get a screwdriver underneath this lip to get these off. A screwdriver under here. One of these two we can just place underneath there. Links that off, and that comes off like that. Bit of clips there inside. The underside ones go first. So that's how we fitted the mirror caps here at Top Car Detailing. Anyhow, I'll have to go now and I'll be back soon with more videos. Until next time, catch you later.